Are you looking for investment growth, but with the peace of mind that your money is protected if the market turns? That's where segregated funds come in. But are they a smart way to invest, or just an expensive safety net? Today, we'll break it all down, in plain English. Hi, on this channel we decode finance and investing strategies so you can make confident money decisions. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Have you ever wished for an investment that could grow with the market but also came with a built-in safety net? That's the core promise of a unique financial product called a segregated fund, or seg fund for short. On the surface, they operate very similarly to mutual funds. They are investment products, but with a crucial twist. They're sold exclusively by life insurance companies. Just like a mutual fund, when you invest, your money is pooled with that of other investors. A professional manager then invests this large pool of capital across a diversified portfolio of assets, like stocks and bonds, giving you instant diversification. But this is where the path diverges. Because segregated funds are technically insurance contracts, they come packed with powerful guarantees. The first is the maturity guarantee. This promises that at the end of a specific term, usually 10 years, you will receive at least 75% to 100% of your initial investment, regardless of market performance. Imagine you invest $50,000 in a fund with a 100% guarantee. If, after 10 years, a market downturn leaves your investment valued at only $40,000, the insurance company tops you up to your full $50,000. Of course, if your investment grew to $70,000, you get the full higher amount. The guarantee is your floor, not your ceiling. Many funds also offer reset options, allowing you to lock in market gains and reset your guaranteed amount to a new, higher value. The second powerful feature is the death benefit guarantee. If you pass away, your named beneficiary is guaranteed to receive up to 100% of your contributions, or the current market value if it's higher. This payout happens quickly and privately, bypassing the often lengthy, costly, and public probate process. So it's helpful to think of it like an airbag for your portfolio. You hope you never need it, but it provides immense peace of mind. Beyond the guarantees, seg funds offer another significant advantage: potential creditor protection. Because they are insurance policies, in certain situations like personal bankruptcy, the funds may be shielded from creditors, a feature highly valued by business owners. Now, for the catch. The primary trade-off for these guarantees is cost. Segregated funds have higher management expense ratios, or MERs, than comparable mutual funds. This extra fee is the insurance premium you pay for that protection. This is why seg funds aren't for everyone. They are best suited for conservative investors, especially those nearing retirement who want to protect their capital from volatility. Ultimately, choosing a segregated fund is about what you value most. Are you willing to pay a premium for downside protection, estate planning benefits, and the psychological comfort of a safety net? For many investors, that trade-off is well worth the price. So, what makes segregated funds, or seg funds, a tool that many savvy investors keep in their financial toolkit? While they might sound complex, their appeal boils down to a few powerful advantages. Think of them as a unique hybrid. They offer the growth potential you'd find in traditional mutual funds, but they're wrapped in a protective layer of insurance guarantees. This combination addresses some of the biggest concerns investors face, especially when planning for the long term. Let's break down the 3 big reasons why they are so compelling. First up is principal protection. This is the cornerstone feature. With a segregated fund, a significant portion of your initial investment, typically between 75% and 100%, is guaranteed. This guarantee kicks in either at the maturity of the contract, which is usually 10 years or more, or upon your death. Imagine you invest $50,000. If the market experiences a severe downturn and your fund's value drops to $40,000 by the maturity date, the insurance company is contractually obligated to pay you back your guaranteed amount. This built-in safety net provides peace of mind, allowing you to stay invested for growth without the fear of losing your entire principal. Next, let's talk about creditor protection. This is a huge draw for business owners, entrepreneurs, and professionals whose work might expose them to litigation. Because segregated funds are technically insurance contracts, they can offer a level of protection from creditors that other investments, like mutual funds or stocks, simply can't. For example, a surgeon or a consultant could face a lawsuit that puts their personal assets at risk. By holding their savings in a segregated fund with a designated family member as a beneficiary, those funds may be shielded from seizure in a legal judgment. The rules can be nuanced and vary by jurisdiction, so professional advice is key, but it's a powerful defensive strategy. The third major advantage lies in estate planning. When you pass away, assets in your will typically have to go through probate. This is a legal process that validates your will, but it can be incredibly slow and expensive, sometimes taking months or even years. Probate fees can also eat into the value of your estate. Segregated funds bypass this entirely. You name a beneficiary directly on the contract, just like a life insurance policy. Upon your death, the money passes directly and privately to your named beneficiaries, avoiding the delays and costs of probate. This ensures your loved ones receive their inheritance quickly and efficiently, without the added stress of a lengthy legal process. In short, they truly combine the worlds of investing and insurance. You get the diversification and professional management of an investment fund, but with the added layers of security that only an insurance product can offer. These three pillars, principal protection, potential creditor shielding, and streamlined estate settlement, provide a unique sense of security for your financial future. Of course, these benefits come with a cost. Segregated funds typically have higher fees. We're talking management expense ratios, MERs, of 2% or more, compared to much cheaper ETFs or index funds. Also, the guarantees often only apply at maturity or death, not if you withdraw early. And remember, higher fees eat into your returns over time. Seg funds aren't for everyone, but they can be useful for retirees or near retirees who want growth but fear market downturns, business owners who want creditor protection, estate planners looking for a smoother wealth transfer to beneficiaries. If you're young, have a long time horizon, and can stomach volatility, lower cost investments may make more sense. So, we've reached the big question. Are segregated funds the right choice for you? The answer isn't a simple yes or no. It depends entirely on whether you prioritize the ironclad protection and guarantees they offer over the lower costs and potentially higher returns of other investments. Think of it as a spectrum. On one end, you have low-cost ETFs and mutual funds, which offer maximum exposure to market growth, but also full exposure to market risk. On the other end, you have segregated funds. They are an insurance contract first and an investment second. This structure provides powerful benefits, like the maturity guarantee ensuring you get back at least 75% to 100% of your principal after a set term, typically 10 years, and a death benefit that does the same for your beneficiaries. This is why they resonate with conservative investors, those nearing retirement, or business owners seeking creditor protection. However, this protection isn't free. The management expense ratios, or MERs, for segregated funds are noticeably higher, often ranging from 2.5% to 4%. This premium covers the cost of the insurance guarantees. A financial advisor might put it this way. You're not just buying the market, you're buying a contract that insulates you from the worst-case scenario. The question you must ask yourself is that peace of mind worth the higher annual cost, which will inevitably eat into your long-term returns? Remember, no single product is perfect. The real key is understanding how a segregated fund could fit into your broader financial ecosystem. For a young investor with decades to recover from market downturns, the high fees might be a significant drag on growth. But for someone focused on estate planning, the ability to bypass probate and have the death benefit paid directly and privately to a beneficiary can be an invaluable feature. If you're exploring this path, be diligent. Don't just look at the fund's performance. Scrutinize the contract. What is the exact guarantee percentage? Are there opportunities to reset the guarantee to lock in market gains? And most importantly, what are the surrender fees if you need to access your money before the maturity date? These details are critical. If you found this breakdown helpful in clarifying the role of segregated funds, give the video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's curious about investing with guarantees. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more smart money insights. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your biggest takeaway? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.